Good morning, I'm Allison. I'm the Vineyard Director here at Domaine Carneros. I'm excited to show you around our Domaine Carneros Estate Vineyard this morning.
Hi, I'm Gita. I'm the Viticulturist at Domaine Carneros.
We have 6 vineyards in Carneros, 3 in Sonoma and 3 in Napa, 400 total acres of Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. Vines go dormant during the winter months, conserving their energy and getting ready for what we're seeing now, which is bud break. As the soil's warm, the vines take moisture from the ground and push that nutrient stored during dormancy up through their roots, slowly transferring them all the way up to the grapevine. That fluid eventually reaches the freshly pruned vines in the form of sap. The vines begin to bleed or weep, and this is what produces bud break. As soon as these little buds burst, photosynthesis kicks in and shoots and leaves multiply, and we're off on another growing season. Because these will become grapes, if these buds get damaged by weather, frost, or storms, that will impact the final harvest. So we're hopeful for a mild spring for the next 6 weeks or so. The big fans that you see in the vineyards help move air and avoid damage to the buds on nights when frost is a risk. The vineyards right now is incorporating our cover crop in the soil and preparing for the vines to continue coming out of dormancy. We had a good wet winter and our reservoirs are full for a season of irrigation. We'll check in again this summer to share a progress report.